Hello there. A fresh political storm is gathering momentum ahead of the 2027 general elections after former presidential spokesman and prominent northern political figure Dr. Hakeem Baba-Ahmed defended the People's Redemption Party's call for President Bola Tinubu to resign, insisting that the demand has nothing to do with partisan politics, but everything to do with what he described as the government's failure to tackle insecurity across Nigeria. Baba-Ahmed's remarks have reignited a national debate about the state of security under the Tinubu administration and whether Nigerians are seeing enough progress in the fight against terrorism, banditry, kidnapping, and violent crime. His comments come at a time when fresh reports of abductions, attacks on communities, killings of civilians, and assaults on schools continue to dominate national headlines, raising serious concerns about citizens about their safety and the effectiveness of current security measures. According to Baba-Ahmed, the call for President Tinubu's resignation should not be viewed through the narrow lens of political rivalry. Instead, he argued that it is a reflection of the frustration and disappointment felt by many Nigerians who believe the government has failed to fulfill one of its most important responsibilities, the protection of lives and properties. He maintained that insecurity remains one of the country's most pressing challenges and that many communities across different regions continue to live under fear despite repeated assurances from government officials. The former presidential aide questioned how Nigerians should assess the performance of a government when reports of kidnappings, attacks on villages, mass killing, and mass adoption continue to emerge regularly. He suggested that the persistence of these incidents has awakened public confidence and left many citizens wondering whether enough is being done to reverse the situation. His comments are likely to resonate with communities that have experienced repeated attacks and families who have lost loved ones or paid ransoms to secure the release of abducted relatives. Supporters of the Tinubu administration are expected to strongly reject Baba-Ahmed's position. Government officials have repeatedly pointed to military operations, arrest of criminal suspects, rescue missions, and intelligence gathering as evidence that progress is being made. They argue that Nigerian security challenges developed over many years and cannot be resolved overnight. They also maintain that security agencies are recording successes across different parts of the country despite the continuing threat posed by criminal groups. Yet, critics insist that Nigerians judge government by results rather than promises. They argue that citizens are less interested in official statements and more concerned about whether they can travel safely, send their children to school without fear, and carry out their daily activities without becoming victims of criminal attacks. For many families affected by insecurity, the debate is not about politics, but about survival. The timing of Baba-Ahmed's remark is particularly significant because political activities ahead of the 2027 elections are gradually intensifying. Opposition parties are increasing their criticism of the government, while the ruling party is defending its record and highlighting achievements. Security is expected to remain one of the defining issues of the next election cycle, alongside the economy, unemployment, inflation, and the cost of living. As the debate continues, Nigerians are left with difficult questions. Has the government done enough to address insecurity? Are insecurity agencies receiving the support and resources required to confront criminal groups effectively? And perhaps most importantly, what more needs to be done to restore confidence among citizens who feel increasingly vulnerable? One thing is certain: Baba-Ahmed's comments have added fresh fuel to an already heated national conversation. His defense of the PRP's call for President Tinubu's resignation has shifted attention once again to the issue of insecurity, an issue that continues to affect millions of Nigerians across different regions of the country. Whether Nigerians agree or disagree with his position, the remarks have intensified scrutiny of the government's security record at a time when many citizens are demanding answers and seeking reassurance about the future. With the road to 2027 becoming more politically charged by the day, debates over security, governance and accountability are likely to grow louder. The question many Nigerians will continue to ask is simple. Are the current measures enough to make the country safer, or is a different approach needed to confront one of the nation's most persistent challenges? Do you agree with Baba-Ahmed's position that insecurity remains Nigeria's biggest challenge? Or do you believe the Tinubu administration is making significant progress in restoring security across the country? Share your views in the comment section below. We want to hear from you. If you enjoyed this report, please like the video, subscribe to First Next News, and turn on notification for more breaking political news, exclusive reports, and major development ahead of the 2027 elections. Thank you so much for being with us once again. My name is Emerald Victor. Have a good day and see you some other time. Thank you.